In this video, I'll show you how to download the Base44 app quickly and easily. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Base44. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the menu icon with the three dots. This opens your browser options. From the menu, hover over Cast, Save and Share. A new set of options will appear. In that list, select Install Pages app. This is the option that turns the Base44 website into an app on your device. After that, a small install window will appear. Click Install to confirm. Your browser will now begin installing the Base44 app for you. Once it finishes, Base44 will be added to your device, and you can open it like a regular app whenever you want. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Base44 app in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.